Shimmering cards with soft and ethereal glow. Beautifully textured cards with a touch of sophistication. Aesthetic stickers. Breathtaking scenery stickers. Gorgeous greenery scenery featuring elegant designs and pattern. Worn brown paper with rough, irregular edges that add a touch of character. Vintage-inspired white paper with burnt edges. Beautifully repurposed washi tapes, perfect for decoration.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Let's make journaling kit. Today, we're going to get creative and make some amazing journaling supplies using waste materials you might have lying around at home. As you know, journaling is all about expressing yourself and making your journal pages truly unique. But you don't need to spend a lot of money on expensive supplies. That's why, today, we're going to upcycle some old wedding cards to create some beautiful journaling supplies. Yes, you heard that right, wedding cards. We've all got some old cards lying around at home, and instead of throwing them away, we can give them a new life. So let's get started and see what we can create. As you all guys can see how I cut these wedding cards and make cute square pieces. As you can see, I have a collection of wedding cards in different colors and designs, so I can convert these cards according to my creativity. You can use any type of card you have at home and get creative with the designs. I think now you know how to cut square and rectangular shapes, as well as some more intricate designs according to your cards. You can use scissors, a craft knife, or a paper trimmer to cut your cards. Remember to be creative and have fun with it. Now that we have our card shapes, make journaling your own with these customizable cards. Whether you're a fan of bright colors, minimalist designs, or inspirational quotes, these cards can be tailored to fit your unique style and preferences. Now place these cards on side and let's dive into another creativity. I have this old calendar so I can reuse it and make beautiful scenery stickers. I have collected these gorgeous scenery stickers and some aesthetic stickers, and I'm excited to cut them out and use them as prompt from my journaling. Now it's time to show my cute stickers. From snowy landscapes to lush greenery, and from aesthetic designs to fun and quirky motifs. Look, I have got a wide range of stickers from waste materials. I am so excited to use these stickers in my journaling. Now it's time to arrange these stickers according to their theme and scenery designs. Green scenery stickers in one line. Gorgeous snowy scenery stickers in second line. Aesthetic stickers in third line, and some other stickers in separate lines. Now it's time to make some vintage style material that will add a touch of elegance to your journaling. I'll cut a hard white card into different size square and rectangular pieces. I'll use a lighter to burn the edges, giving it a distressed vintage look. This technique is easy to do and adds a lot of character to your. But you must have to be careful. Direct exposure to flames can cause severe burns. You should do it in the presence of your parents. Looks, it's perfectly what I want. Next, we'll move on to creating some burnt white pages. I'll cut a book page into small regular pieces, then burn the edges with a lighter. This will give us a beautiful vintage-inspired paper with a unique texture. As you can see, burning the pages can create a bit of a mess, but don't worry, it's easy to clean up. I'll just use a towel to wipe away any excess ash or debris. Looks how beautifully our vintage-inspired papers are ready. Now let's move on to creating some burnt brown papers. Look, it's perfectly made for a vintage-style journaling. What do you think? Here I am taking waste brown bag that I found in my home. Again, I will cut this brown paper into regular rectangular pieces so that I can easily burn it. But before this, we should folded this paper with our hands to give it an old vintage paper and made perfect for our journaling. Now let's cut this paper into small pieces. It's amazing how something so simple can be so meditative. Now again burnt this paper with the help of lighter. But looks what happened, my lighter's battery is going to be dead, so we can use gas for this. Looks, it's perfectly made vintage paper. It's the best example of how we can use waste material and make a useful things. I got all our supplies for journaling is ready except washi tapes. How I got a unique idea. As you can see, I have a collection of wedding cards with stunning designs and patterns. I was inspired to cut out these designs and turn them into washi tapes. I'll show you how I cut out the designs from the wedding cards. I'm using scissors to carefully cut along the edges of the designs. You can use a craft knife or paper trimmer if you prefer. And that's it. We have created beautiful washi tapes from old wedding cards. Now keep them aside. As you guys can see how we made our journaling kit from waste materials. With just your creativity, you can make different craft supplies and you can become a crafter. Now time to show all my journaling supplies. Customizable cards. Aesthetic stickers. Breathtaking scenery stickers featuring serene snow. Beautiful town images stickers. Gorgeous greenery scenery sticker featuring elegant designs and pattern. Aged worn brown paper with rough, irregular edges. Rustic, earthy brown paper with a unique, textured look. Vintage style white paper with a soft muted color and rough textile edges. Distressed vintage inspired white cards with beautifully worn, rough edges. Delicate straight edge washi tapes crafted from recycled wedding cards. Dainty, delicate stickers with a touch of sophistication and charm. Some more washi tapes. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing the journaling supplies I made using recycled material. Remember to always think outside the box and get creative with materials you might otherwise throw away.